In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix SteamVR not working. If your headset isn't launching properly, SteamVR won't start or the display is showing up as a regular monitor instead of a VR device. Follow along and we'll walk through a clear set of fixes that resolve the most common causes. First, open Steam. Give it a moment to fully load your library so all your tools are visible. We're starting inside Steam because SteamVR is managed like a tool within your library, and fixing issues there often comes down to repairing its files. Next, in your Steam library, find SteamVR, right-click it, and choose Properties. Go to Installed Files, then click Verify Integrity of Tool Files. This scan checks for missing or corrupted files and automatically replaces them. It may take a few minutes depending on your drive speed and internet connection. It's a safe process and won't affect your personal settings. When it finishes, close the window and return to the library. Exit Steam completely, including from the system tray so it's no longer running in the background. Then, right-click your Steam shortcut and select Run as Administrator. This helps resolve permission-related problems that can block SteamVR from accessing devices, drivers, or necessary system components. If you see a security prompt, confirm it. Once Steam is open, try launching SteamVR again from your library. Keeping your graphics drivers up to date is essential for VR stability and performance. Make sure you have the latest drivers installed for your NVIDIA or AMD graphics card. You can update through the official NVIDIA or AMD software, or by downloading the newest drivers from their websites. After the update, it's a good idea to restart your computer so the driver changes are fully applied before you open Steam and SteamVR again. Finally, enable Direct Mode in SteamVR. Open SteamVR, go to Settings, then Developer, and turn on Enable Direct Mode. Direct Mode ensures your headset is treated as a dedicated VR device, rather than a standard monitor, which improves detection and reduces conflicts with your desktop display. SteamVR may prompt you to restart its compositor. Allow it to do so. Once it's back up, check that your headset shows the proper status and that your controllers are recognized. You'll cover the most reliable fixes for SteamVR not working. Give each step a moment to take effect and test after each change. Thanks for watching.